But you were too tired to walk the line. I said then hold up, precious. I can be a goldsmith and you a nomad or a tailor, and we don't have to follow the rules. Oh, I can do anything when I look at you. Oh, I believe everything to be true. Oh, every little bit of my heart lights up. Oh, can you please tell it?
Hello friends, and welcome back to another day in the life video. Today I am getting ready for my mother-in-law to visit. The girls and I are going to be out of town a little bit this week, and then by the end of the week Gary is going to pick up his mom, and she's going to be with us for I think like 5 or 6 days, something like that. So we're excited about that. I'm going to be working on the guest room, getting that ready, and the girls and I just went to Harris Teeter to get some groceries, just a little bit of groceries for the week while we're here. So go ahead and give you a little tiny grocery haul. Also got some stuff for my mom for Mother's Day while we were there. So I'm gonna show you the grocery haul, and then we're gonna get on with the laundry, the cleaning, and all the stuff that we need to do today. All right, so some of the things were just things we were out of. I got some soap, a couple of Scrub Daddy sponges because mine was just getting old and ratty, and I just love these things because they last forever. You can microwave them to sanitize them, or you can put them through the dishwasher, and they really last a long time. I got a couple things of Dawn Power Wash. I should have bought this at Sam's the other day, and I just didn't realize I needed it. Some brioche buns and some more of these salmon burgers. These were really good. The girls and I made these the other day, or like a week ago, and so we're going to do those again this week. I got some of these chocolate covered strawberries, which we usually get whenever they have them out, which is usually Mother's Day and like Valentine's Day. So we got these. We're having my mom over, and we're going to grill some steaks tomorrow for Mother's Day. So I got these as like a dessert for that. We got a couple of these Lowry's sesame ginger sauces, which I haven't had any of those in a while. I'm going to make like a stir fry. I've shown that on my channel before, but this is the sauce I like to use. I got a couple boxes of the coffee that Katie likes, which is the cinnamon dolce. Should have probably bought that somewhere else as well, but we didn't realize she was out. A couple of things of the marshmallow fluff. 3 packs of shredded hash browns so that we have some while my mother-in-law was here. We got some grated Parmesan cheese, a couple of the Shout color catchers. I use those whenever I kind of wash like mixed loads of laundry, because it just picks up all the dye, like if you have jeans or something in there, to keep everything you know, from having anything run. I got some lettuce, some avocados, some Brussels sprouts for dinner tomorrow, some strawberries, and a couple of tomatoes. I got this begonia plant as one of the things for my mom for Mother's Day. I thought, because it doesn't take a lot of light, I thought this would be good at her new place. Thought it would be something that she might enjoy, and it, you know, rather than flowers that die. And then we got her other gift right here. So this is our little grocery haul for this week. Like I said, we're really only going to be making about probably 3 meals this week as far as dinners here. Now I'm going to go ahead and get all the laundry folded before I move on to the cleaning. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Colleen, and this channel is all about homemaking and simple living. If that's the kind of content that you enjoy, then I hope you'll stick around and subscribe, and we'd love to get to know you down in the comments below.
Things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would.
So those of you that have been here a long time know that I don't really assign chores to my kids. We just all kind of pitch in to do the things that need to be done, and it just kind of depends on what everybody's doing. So Sophie will come in and get her own clothes and put them up, and Katie will do the same. A lot of times if Katie's not doing anything, she will fold the clothes for me. It just kind of depends on what everyone's doing. This is our guest room and also our office. So this side of the room is the office here, and then this is our guest room. We have our office file cabinet in here and this TV. And then we have a bathroom attached here with the shower. So I need to clean the bathroom. I need to dust and vacuum and mop in here, clean the ceiling fan, which I need to turn off, and dust everything in here. I need to clean these doors. We have this little balcony off of the room, and then this tray or whatever you want to call this, down track, I guess is probably the right word. This gets really nasty, so I need to get that cleaned out. Yeah, so that's what I need to do up here today. I'm getting started up here just by dusting the room. I'm using a microfiber duster. The wand on this thing does telescope, so it gets pretty long, and the head is washable, so I can throw that in the washing machine as well. It makes it really easy for me to do, and instead of using like Swiffers or something that is disposable, I can reuse this after cleaning it. So it works really well for ceiling fans because the dust clings to the microfiber head, and then I can just wash that in the washing machine when I'm done.
My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause the store won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done.
Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below.
I'll be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you in. Days pass and I'm still the same inside my head, and I can't stop thinking about what you said. I gotta tear my wall apart.
Moving on to the bathroom, I'm using Clorox wipes to sanitize the countertop. Then I'm going to use the Method Foaming Bathroom Cleaner for the sink.
When it's over, I will see what I've done. Letting go too soon. Oh, I'll be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you in.
Now I'm going to clean the outside of the toilet with Clorox wipes just to sanitize everything, and I'll use the Clorox wand to clean the bowl.
By luck, 'cause I found you sitting all alone, looking down your phone like a restless soul. The wind that stroked your hair left your scent in the air, and the sun was almost acting as a spot.
I'm cleaning the mirror as well as the faucet just to shine it up with a homemade glass cleaner, which is 50% isopropyl alcohol and 50% water. You can also use vinegar instead of the alcohol.
And I believe in you and me. So darling, please.
For For the bathtub and the shower, I'm going to use the Method foaming bathroom cleaner along with the microfiber cloth. I'll clean all of the shower walls, the tile and everything, and then I will get out of the shower and clean the bathtub.
But then you looked away before I could say that all I want is you and to be near, standing where you are. I'll give you my heart, peace when we're apart. But then he walked by, you see, he walked by and started to smile, got up and took him by the hand. Now I understand that he is your man. You make me weak in the knees, and I believe in you and me. So darling, please fly away with me, and you will see.
Now I'm going to vacuum the bathroom floors as well as the bedroom floors, and then I'll come back and mop with a steam mop. While I was doing all of this, Katie was in the hallway. We have like a little landing area upstairs, and she was dusting that area out there, and she was also vacuuming and mopping that landing area as well as the stairs for me.
You make me weak in the knees, and I believe in you and me. So darling, please fly away with me, and you will see that you belong with me.
Several of y'all have asked about the vacuum that I use. I have the Shark Vertex. It's a cordless vacuum. I previously had a Dyson. I think it was the V7 that I had. And it is a little bit different. I think it's a little bit heavier than my Dyson, but I do like the fact that it has a light in the front. I also like the fact that you don't have to hold the trigger the whole time, so that's really nice. And then it also has this interesting feature where it kind of collapses to go under a bed. I frequently forget that it has that, and so I'll just kind of like, bend down to do it. But it does have that feature that I just showed, that you can go under the bed like that. So far I've been pretty happy with it. As much as I do like all of our sliders, because we have 3 downstairs and 1 upstairs, so downstairs it kind of almost makes like a wall of windows, which is really nice, especially when the weather's warm and you can leave the screens open, or you can close the screens and open the doors. But there is a lot of debris that gets into these tracks, so I'm using the vacuum with the attachment, the like crevice attachment on there to vacuum out, and then I will use my homemade cleaner to clean the trays or the tracks with a microfiber cloth. I'm just using my multi-purpose cleaner, which is just mostly water, but it also has like 1/4 of a teaspoon of Castile soap, as well as about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of alcohol, and I also use about 10 to 15 drops of lemon essential oil. I'm going to finish up here by using the steam mop to mop the bathroom as well as the bedroom floors. And then Katie's going to take the mop and do the landing area as well as the stairs. It feels great to have this done. I hope that you found this video to be relaxing. I try to put up a relaxing video once a week for you. Thanks for being here today, friend. We'll see you next time. Bye.